Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got my 2014 Wrangler Jku, and I got a blend door issue for the hot and cold. And the reason for that is that the blend door never stops moving, and I got to have the heat on pretty much full blast. Doesn't do anything in the middle besides run cool. So this is the part I got. It is a dormant part. That is it. And we got a special tool that came with it we can't lose, and we got some special instructions. However, if you don't have a bi-directional scanner, I brought two of them out because you got to calibrate this. Once it's installed, you will just screw it up. The instructions right there with scan tool, OBD port, turn on ignition, engine off, select HVAC control module, select special functions, select recalibrate all motors, do not adjust the climate control until calibration is complete, select on, wait 60 seconds. First thing we gotta do is pull this cover off, give us some access. Our blend door is behind this module, right in there. You can hear it move. That's what it does. So we gotta get that out first. There's not enough room for a camera in my sausage fingers, so this first connector I just took off. You just push it in, pull it down. I think I could try to get in there, as you guys can see. Perfect. Put that one out. Now this module, as you can see right there, I popped out that one tab. And try to do the same. Back one. Try to get it out. Come on. Come on, get out of there. Come on, you're so close. Alright, so I popped them out. And then you can see the tabs at the back. One there, one at the front. So you kind of have to reach behind, pull them out, get that out of place. Two super long extensions. You're not going to be able to see, but that's where that one goes. This top one, you're going to have to come in at an angle. I heard it, but I do not see it. I got to get this out here. There's our blend door right there. I need to get rid of this wire. It's not part of it, but we need to move that out of the way. And you just reach in with your big sausage fingers, get it out of the way. Now, this HVAC tube makes things a lot easier if you can get it out. I'm gonna pull that little temperature probe out too to help get that vent out. I'm using a radiator pick, kind of pull at it with some bitch gloves. Alright, we got the door. Or we got the vent. It was a real pain because we got those tabs there. I used, like I said before, I got this to get around to pull at it. So there's our blend motor, 2 Phillips screws, 1 plug. You can see the arm, so we gotta get those out. So I just pulled the electrical plug out. Get up in there. See, that's why you remove the vent, because that piece drops down. Hey, see right here, you got to put the arm in the same orientation. So this is where I go down the rabbit hole you see on the actuator, because I originally just lined them up, but then I realized that that gap is not the same. The gap is down farther than this one here. So if I go like 90, yeah, because if that actuator was up, it should have been up like that. We're gonna find out the hard way, I guess. Should have just bought a Mopar part because this Dorman one doesn't even fit. Can't take the bottom screw. That's some bullshit. There's Chinese parts or Dorman, and probably should have took the Chinese. Probably would have fit. So I gotta go on the calibration here. Running the calibration. You can hear them moving. Well, they all passed. So there you have it. All that work for nothing. I would avoid buying a Dorman part. Just not impressed. That's 2 hours of my time gone. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.